Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a song to an Instagram post after posting it. Adding music to your posts can make them more engaging and help your content stand out in the feed. The good news is that Instagram now allows you to add a song even after your post has already been published. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile. Next, find the post where you want to add music and open it. Once the post is open, tap the three dots in the top corner of the post. From the menu that appears, tap Edit. After entering the Edit screen, look below your username where you will see options such as Add Music, Add AI Label, or Add Location. Tap Add Music. Now, Instagram will open the music library where you can browse suggested songs or search for a specific track using the search bar. Tap on any song to preview it. When you find the one you want, tap the arrow to add it to your post. Adjust it until you select the section you like. Once you are happy with the music clip, tap Done in the top corner to save the changes. Now when people view your post, the selected song will automatically play in the background, making your post more dynamic and engaging. And that's it! Now you know how to add a song to an Instagram post after posting it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!